All right, we've got our next caller joining us on the phone line, Varun Agarwal. Hi Varun, welcome to the show. What's the property you want to buy?
I had already bought a property, DLF Express Greens in Manesar, and I just wanted to know from the consultant or from the experts that how good is the property in terms of investment and in terms of moving in there when I get the position, and when will I get the position, if are they have any updates on the same.
Okay, so it's sector M1A Manesar is where you have bought the property. The city is not Bangalore, it's really outside of Delhi. So we're going to just tell our viewers it's actually National Capital Region. Manesar Sector 1A, M1A. I know that you've been very gung-ho about the golf course extension road, but a lot of development happening on the Manesar side as well, as Gurgaon is getting full and extending its city limits.
Yeah, it's just that I still feel that Gurgaon has got a lot of supply that is still to come, and then there is the Dwarka Expressway, which has got more proximity to Delhi. Manesar is a great area. There's a lot of industrial activity already happening over there. Having said that, there's enough supply coming out over there as well, but with respect to ready projects, supply is not that much, so it will eventually become an end user affordable to mid destination, because main Gurgaon is getting very pricey. So anybody who's looking at a price point between 3,000 to 4,000 or properties under a crore, Manesar will be his only real option. So basically, first your question was really on DLF Express Greens,
which is what he's bought already at 60 lakhs.
Yeah, so I think it's already trading at 4,000 rupees a square feet. You would have seen some appreciation. The project is going to get completed in 10 to 11 months. So any project in Gurgaon that gets completed sees some little bit more appreciation over there. Having said that, DLF's project is a little bit more pricey than the market over there. And I'll share that with you across the data points. It's going to take about 12 months to get completed. And I think there are some other projects that you may want to consider switching as well, because they are much cheaper in the same area since you realize some gains. So we thought of those options as well for you, since we don't know whether this was an investment decision for you or not. Total projects are 9 in this locality with respect to ready projects. 6,000 units odd getting ready, so enough supply getting ready over there, but hardly an inventory overhang with respect to ready projects. The weighted average price is 3,250 rupees a square feet. So that is the area of concern that I have. You have enough supply in this market at much lower price points. If you look at the price appreciation trends, 32% over the last 2.5 years, which translates to about 14 to 15% on a yearly basis. The three options that we've got for you, if you want to consider selling this and buying a cheaper project in the same locality: Petals by Tulip Infratech. This is already ready and trading at about 2,800 rupees a square feet in Sector 89. So no execution risk there. Green Park 1 by Sare Group. This project is getting ready in 2012. Again, a private equity developer, 3,200 rupees a square feet is the price. This project was launched around 1,500 rupees a square feet. So the specifications may not be that high. This is also getting ready in 2012, available from the resale market. And Navodaya by Raheja Builders, Sector 92, price is 3,500 rupees a square feet. Target completion date is 2012, but it may go up to 2013. You can pick this up also from the resale market.
So there you go, Varun. The property that you bought is fine. The area has seen a reasonably good appreciation, but there are cheaper options available, which almost always tend to catch up with other good properties of similar nature. So that's the reason. And for all of you, if you've got a budget of 50 to 60 lakhs, you're looking at going to Gurgaon market and reap the benefits of what a lot of investors in the past 10 years have seen, a market which has given returns of 20 to 24%. Believe me, I mean, there's not much available in 50 lakhs. So these are the projects you could look at: Petals, Tulip Infratech, Green Park 1, Sare Group, Navodaya and Raheja Builders. That's Navodaya by Raheja Builders. Green Park 1 is a Sare Group project. All right, a lot of times you must be getting SMSs promising you assured returns on your investments.